Exercise 6.2, question number 2. Question number 2. First, I'll read the question now. Okay, before that, I'll draw the diagram here.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, that diagram is for question number 3.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. One second. That is for question number 3, right? Very good.
I
Okay,
think
for
so.
question number 2, there is no diagram. No need actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is no need for diagram. Okay, even though if you have drawn the diagram, no problem. Okay, that
Yes,
we can have the diagram for question number 3. See here,
Yes.
in this question, there are 3 subdivisions, right? First, I'll read the question. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR of a triangle PQR. So no diagram is given, so I can draw a diagram based on the question. Okay, so there is a triangle PQR. This is PQR is a triangle. Okay, we have to draw a triangle to understand this question. And E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR. Listen, this is point PQ. In this side, this is side PQ. In this side, there is a point E, and another point is F. Okay, that is on the side PR. That is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, the first sentence is E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. Okay, this is the 2 points. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. They're asking this EF is parallel to this QR. Okay, we have to check whether this side EF is parallel to the side QR. Now, see here, first question is, they have given the values, that is P is equal to 3.9 centimeter and EQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. These are the data given. Now, with the help of these data, we have to check whether this EF is parallel to QR. Now, we know what is Thales theorem. That says, actually, it is the converse of Thales theorem we have to use here. Because according to Thales theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, that is here EF is a line which is parallel to one side of a triangle, means then that line will divide the other 2 sides in the same ratio. That means PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Okay, that is the meaning of that is called as Thales theorem. So here also, but here they are asking us to check whether this EF is parallel to QR. So now we have to use converse of Thales theorem. What converse of Thales theorem says is, if a line divides the 2 sides in the same ratio, then the line will be parallel to the third side of the triangle. See here, if EF is dividing the 2 sides PQ and PR in the same ratio, which means if PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Listen, ma. So this is the condition. That is, if PE by EQ, PE by EQ. Okay, if PE by EQ, this is PE, and this is EQ. That is equal to PF by FR. This is equal to PF by FR. Then, if it is equal means, then what is the condition, ma'am? Then EF is parallel to which side? The third side, that is QR. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Then EF is parallel to QR. This is what we have to check now. Now we are going to check whether the ratios are equal. If the ratios are equal, then we can say yes, EF is parallel to QR. So first subdivision, first I'm going to find what is PE by EQ. PE by EQ, I'll write it over here. So PE divided by EQ. What is our FPE in this question? 3.9 divided by what is EQ? 3. 3.9 is divided by 3. Okay, now we can simplify it further, or we can keep as it is. Now listen carefully, ma. We can simplify it further, or we can keep as it is. How to simplify is very simple. We can divide it by using 3 table. So what is 3 table? 3 ones are 3. Listen, ma. Here also 3 ones are 3. We have to put this point, and 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 1.3 divided by 1. Am I right? 1.3 divided by 9. Now, similarly, we have to find the value of PF by FR. PF by FR. So PF divided by FR is equal to, what is PF in this question? 3.6.
Yes, sir.
3.6 divided by what is FR?
2.4.
2.4. Now here we cannot, we will not get 1.1 by 1.3 by 1, because when we simplify this, we can cancel it using 2 table. Now 2 ones are 2, we have to put this point, 2 twos are 4, that is 1.2 here. Okay, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1, we have to put this point over here, and this becomes 16, and it is 8 twos are 2 8s are 16. Therefore the answer is 1.8 divided by 1.2. Am I right or wrong? 1.8 divided by 1.2. Again, also we can simplify by cancelling using 0.4. Okay, if you feel this difficult means, listen ma, cancelling decimal numbers as difficult means, one thing you can do, I'll teach you in that way. Listen ma. Okay, if you're not comfortable with cancelling like what is a decimal numbers means, you can convert those numbers into non-decimal number. That is, here the question is PF value is given as 3.6. PF value is given as 3.6 divided by what is the value of FR? 2.4, right? Now see here in the numerator also, after the decimal point, it has only one digit. In the numerator, after the decimal point, how many digits is there? Only one digit. And in the denominator also, after the decimal point, how many digits are there? One. So what we can do is we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 to remove this decimal number. So multiplying the numerator by 10 and here also multiplying the denominator by 10. So that is no problem at all. When you are multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, you will get the equivalent ratio, that is equivalent fraction. So what is 3.6 into 10? If a number is multiplied by 10, this decimal point will move one digit right side. It will become 36. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what is 2.4 into 10?
24.
24. Very good. 24. So 36 divided by 24. Okay, 36 divided by 24. Now we can cancel this using 8 table, not 8 table, 4 table. So how to cancel? 6 4s are
24.
Okay, 4 6 are 24, as well as 4 9s are 36. Or we can directly cancel by 12 table also. Okay, I forgot. Okay. Now 9 by 6 we got. Again we can cancel this using 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. What is the answer, ma? 3 by 2, right? The answer is 3 by 2. But see here, from we can consider this as equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what we can conclude is, from 1 and 2, we can conclude, okay, the ratios are not same, right? That is PE by EQ. Okay, PE by EQ is not equal to, this is Q. EQ is not equal to PF by FR. Am I right or wrong? Both are different, right? So both
Yes,
are different. So therefore, we can conclude that the line EF is not parallel to QR. Line EF is not parallel to QR. Please write 1 minute. Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
So final step, how to conclude this? Hence, EF, hence, yeah, EF is not parallel to QR. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is not parallel to QR. If the ratios are same, means we can say EF is parallel to QR. That's it. Now, shall we do the second one now?
Yes, sir.
Now, second subdivision, see, in second subdivision, P is equal to 4 centimeter.
Sir, do number 3, sir.
Sorry, ma. You want to teach me third subdivision?
Third subdivision. Yes, sir. Third subdivision.
Okay, second you can do by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the third subdivision, PQ, listen ma. I'll write the given data. PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter, comma, PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, and PE is equal to 0.18 centimeter, and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. Now listen carefully, ma. So first what we have to do is, we have to just, I'll draw the rough diagram. It is triangle is PQR, and this is EF, okay, intersects the sides PQ and PR. Yeah. Now, first what we have to do, what they have given is PQ they have given. Listen, ma, PQ they have given as well as PE they have given. So PQ they have given means, with the help of PQ and PE, we can find EQ. Am I right or wrong? EQ is equal to, how to find the value of EQ? We have to find this EQ value. This is EQ. That PQ minus PE. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? This is
Yes, sir.
PQ. PQ minus PE will give you EQ. So I'm finding EQ by subtracting PE from PQ. What is PQ here? 1.28 minus what is PE? 0.18. What is 1.28 minus 0.18? The answer is 1.1. Am I right or wrong? 1.1.
Yes, sir.
1.10, we can simply write 1.1. Even we can write 1.10. It is up to you. That is EQ value we got. That is 1.10. This is EQ, ma. Okay, this green color question. Okay, this is EQ. So we got the value of EQ as 1.10. Now similarly, here also PR is given. This entire, okay, PR is given as well as PF is given. To find FR. So how to find FR? I'll do it here. So finding FR. FR is equal to PR minus PF. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
PR minus PF. Sorry, PR minus PF. From here to here, it is PR. That length is given as well as PF is also given. So when you subtract this PF from this PR, we'll get the FR. So FR is equal to PR minus PF. What is PR in this question? 2.56 minus what is PF? 0.36. Now what is 2.56 minus 0.36? The answer is 2.20. The answer is 2.020. Therefore, FR is equal to 2.20. If you have doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
Okay, right. I'll wait. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay, without the rough diagram, okay, it is not easy to do the sum. Please draw the rough diagram because they have given the triangle is PQR and EF are the points on the sides PQ and PR. So this is the diagram. With the help of the diagram only we can find the unknown.
Done, sir.
Okay, what about others?
I don't know.
Everyone finished, huh?
I think so, sir.
Yeah, writing, still writing. Okay. Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to find the ratio PE by EQ and PF by FR and check whether they are equal. Now first I'll find what is PE by EQ. Okay, PE by EQ. What is the value of PE in this question? Just now we got. Sorry, P. Okay, PE we know the value. It is given in the question 0.18 divided by what is EQ? 1.10. 1.10. Now listen, in the numerator it has, after the decimal point there are 2 digits. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100. After the decimal point 2 digits means we have to multiply by 100 in the numerator as well as denominator. So what we'll get is, so 0.18 into 100 is, listen, when we multiply by 100, point will move 2 digits right side. Therefore it will become 18 divided by, here when we multiply by 100, point will move 2 digits right side. Therefore it will be 110. That is 110. Okay. Now please, okay, stop with this. Okay, no need to simplify here. Okay, next one is what you have to find is we have to find the ratio PF by FR. PF by FR. I'll find PF by FR. So PF divided by FR, that is equal to, what is the value of PF? 0.36 divided by, what is FR? 2.20. Just now we got 2.20. Now here also we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by which number, ma? To remove the decimal number, decimal point?
100.
100. Okay, multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100. So what we'll get is this 0.36 will become 36 because point will move to the right side 2 digits. 36 divided by 2.20 will become 220. Now we can simplify this. See here, I'm going to simplify this using 11. Okay, not 11. Okay, 2 table. So 2 table means 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36 and 2 into 110 is 220. So the answer is 18 by 110. Now see here, let it be equation number 1. This is also 18 by 110. Here also we got 18 by 110. Equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, what we have can conclude is from 1 and 2, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So both the ratios are equal, right? Both the ratios are equal. Therefore, the line EF is parallel to QR. Therefore, we can conclude EF is parallel to QR. That's it now. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Good. Right fast. Second subdivision, you do it by yourself, ma. Question number 2, second subdivision. We have did first and plus the third subdivision. Okay, now we can ask any other question, ma, which you have doubt. Question number
3, sir. Number 3.
The next one. Okay. Now for this question number 3, we have to use the figure 6.18. We have to use the figure 6.18. All of you draw the figure, ma. Those who have not drawn, we can draw the figure now.
Sir, can you scroll little up, sir? I want to see just the first sum.
Okay, this one.
No, sir. First sum, that last line, sir.
Okay, okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finish, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Now, question number 3, ma. For this question, we have to draw the diagram. Please, all of you draw the diagram.
Done, sir. Diagram.
Good. Listen, ma. So in this question, first I will shade, okay, using this highlighter to show you what are the parallel sides. In figure, LM is parallel to CD. So which is LM? This is LM. This is parallel to which side? CD. These two sides are parallel, which I'm okay using this highlighting using green color, right? These two are parallel sides, as well as LN. Listen, ma. This is LN. This LN is parallel to which side?
CD.
CD. Okay, now we can easily understand, right? Here, these two sides are parallel. So this is all about the given figure. Now what they are asking is to prove, that is prove that. First you have to write to prove. What you have to prove? First write given data, ma. Given means you have to write given and then the data, that is under the given you have to mention LM, okay, is parallel to CD. LM is parallel to CD, and again LN is parallel to CD. So these two are under the given you have to write. And next you have to write to prove. To prove is here we have to prove AM divided by AB, AM divided by AB, which is equal to, okay, AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. This is what we have to prove. Very simple sum, very simple sum. Once you learn, it will be very easy. So all of you write given as well as to prove.
Finish, sir.
Finished, Amma? Good. Okay, now listen, Ma. So first thing, I will give a small hint about this sum. After that, I will teach. So whatever I'm writing using the red color, okay, it is just, you can note down near this question, or is in the textbook also you can note down. So if you remember these things which I'm writing here, that is a hint for doing this sum. So first step is, what you have to do is, you have to consider triangle ABC. First, which triangle you have to consider, Ma? Triangle ABC. In this triangle, you have to apply Thales theorem. So first, in triangle ABC, which theorem you have to apply? Thales theorem. Okay, this is first step. And in second step, what you have to do is, you have to consider triangle ADC. Which triangle you have to consider, Ma? ADC or ACD? It is up to you. Anything you can write. Okay, this is triangle ABC, Ma. See, ABC. This is triangle ABC, and again triangle ADC. Okay, triangle ADC. In this triangle, you have to apply which theorem? Thales theorem. So these are the first two steps. Okay, after applying Thales theorem for these two triangles, then the remaining part is very simple. Okay, this is how you have to remember this. So first, which triangle we have to consider, Ma? Triangle, which triangle?
ABC.
Okay, so now I'm going to take triangle ABC now. All of you, right? So proof, under the proof you have to start. Proof, in triangle ABC, in this triangle, which side is parallel to which side, Ma? I'm writing here. It is also given in the question. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, in this triangle A, listen, Ma, I'll mark with this red color. This is triangle ABC, this triangle. Okay, in this triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB or BC. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in this triangle, one line is drawn parallel to another side of the triangle. Therefore, that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio using this theorem, Thales theorem. That means I can write it like AL divided by LC. AL divided by LC is equal to AM divided by MB. Am I right or wrong? Because this line is drawn parallel to this side. Therefore, this line divides these two sides in the same ratio. That is AL by LC is equal to AM by MB. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So I can write in triangle ABC, I can write AL by LC is equal to AM by MB. So please put a box. In bracket, you have to mention Thales theorem. According to which theorem, Ma? Thales theorem. That's it. Let it be equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, using Thales theorem, or else by Thales theorem. That's it. Now next, which triangle we have to consider? Triangle ADC. Okay, so in this triangle ADC, okay, I will mark here. This is this ADC. In this triangle ADC, NL is parallel to BC. Am I right? These two sides are parallel. So I can use Thales theorem here that shows AL by LD is equal to AN by ND. Yes or no? AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is also because of Thales theorem. So next step, I'll write here. Okay, next step. In triangle ACD, right? In triangle, sorry, ADC. In triangle ADC, AL by LC. Okay, in this triangle, which is parallel to which side? LN is parallel to CD. It is also given in the question. LN is parallel to CD. Okay, this is LN. I'll show here. This is LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. According to which theorem?
Thales theorem.
Thales theorem. Very good. Using Thales theorem or by Thales theorem. This is equation number 2. Now, please check both the equations. In both the equations, the left hand side are same. AL by LC and AL by LC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Since, okay, in two equations, if left hand side are same, we can equate the right hand side. So from 1 and 2, since both the equation have same left hand side, so I can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, I can equate the right hand side because the left hand side of both the equations are same. So what is the right hand side of equation number 1?
AM by ND.
AM by MB. And what is the right hand side of equation number 2?
AN by
ND.
So I'm going to write the equate the right hand side, that is AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. So that's it. Hereafter, whatever steps I'm going to write now. So if you follow these steps, you'll finally find the you can prove the final step. Okay, so we see here. So how to do is after this. So first step, what you have to do is you have to take reciprocals. What you have to do, ma? Taking reciprocals. So please note down. So taking reciprocal is one of the things you have to remember. I'll write it here. So whenever you are studying this sum means, okay, going across this sum means you have to remember this step. First, triangle ABC, triangle ADC. Then with the help of these two equations, we are forming one equation. For that equation, you have to take reciprocals. What you are taking, ma? Taking reciprocals. After taking reciprocals, what you have to do is just simply write this, taking reciprocals. And the fourth step is add 1. Simply write add 1. And again, fifth step is taking reciprocal. That's it. That will give you the answer now. These are the 5 steps you have to remember. Please note down. Write down. So first we are taking a triangle ABC and using the Thales theorem, and triangle ADC we are using Thales theorem. In the third step, after completing the first 2 steps, we are equating the 2 equations. Equating 2 equations, then taking reciprocal, adding 1, again taking reciprocal, that will give you the answer. Easy, right? Easy to remember. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So taking reciprocals on both sides. Taking reciprocals on both sides. Now, if you take reciprocal, what will become? Means it will become MB by AM. Okay. Numerator goes to the denominator and denominator goes to the numerator. That is, and here also AN by ND will become ND by AN. ND by AN. Now, after this, after taking reciprocal, what you have to do? Add 1, adding, or else you can write adding 1 to both the sides. So adding 1 to both sides means left hand side will become MB by AM plus 1 is equal to, right hand side becomes ND by AN plus 1. If you add same number on both the sides, then the equality, okay, remains the same. There will be no problem in the equality. Okay, the equation is again balanced, adding 1 on both the sides. Now after adding 1 on both the sides, you have to simplify this just by cross multiplying. What is here? It will become MB plus, what is AM into 1? AM, right? Whole divided by AM. Easier. And here also ND plus this AN into 1. What is AN into 1? AN only. ND plus AN divided by AN. Are you able to understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Please write fast. Okay, now listen, ma. I'm going to tell you what is MB plus AM is about. What is MB plus AM? I'll show. MB plus AM in the diagram. See here, I'm going to show the diagram. This is MB, ma. This is MB and this is AM. What is MB plus AM? We can write it as AB. Am I right or wrong? MB plus
Yes or
AM.
no?
MB plus AM can be expressed as AB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, AN plus ND can be expressed as AD.
A.
AD. Are you able to understand this? So in the next step, what I'm going to do is MB plus AM, that is what? AB. That is AB divided by AM. AB divided by AM, which is equal to what is ND plus AM? Just now I have showed.
AD.
That is AD. Very good. ND plus AN is AD divided by AN. Now after making this step, now finally what you have to do is again you have to take reciprocals. Again we have to take what?
Reciprocal.
Yeah, that will give you the answer. So again taking reciprocals on both sides. Taking reciprocal on both sides, what will get? This AM by AB, it will become AM by AB. This is equal to this AN will go to the numerator, AN divided by AD. Hence proved. This is what they asked us to prove in the sum. Please write.
Done, sir.
Good.
Complete, sir.
Completed, Amma. Very good. Okay, next. It's question mark. Any other doubt?
Question number.
Any other doubts, ma?
So,
Yes.
so question number 4. Sir.
Question number
4.
4.
The
Next one. Okay. For next question also they have given the figure 6.19. Please draw the figure. Okay, question number 4. Can I give a hint for this sum? How to do that sum? Will you be able to do the same way which I have taught you now? Question number 3.
So we can try.
Will you try? If you
Yes,
are not
sir.
able, okay, just I will give hint. With the help of this hint,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to draw. If you are not able to, okay, you have to do this sum. If you are not able to do this, means I will teach. Then I will teach. Okay, simply I will give a hint. So please note down this hint. Okay, near the question in the textbook, or you can write it in your note. That is question number 4 in exercise 6.2. 6.2 question number 4. So first, what you have to do is you have to consider triangle ABE. Triangle, which triangle you have to consider, ma? Triangle ABE. And in that triangle, so using the given condition, because in this triangle DE is parallel, DF is parallel to AE. Okay, you can check that triangle later. Okay, so in this triangle, use use Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. You will get one one proportion, that is AD by, you'll get like this, AD by DB is equal to FE by BF, that is EF by BF, that is EF by BF. So you'll get like this in this triangle ABE. Okay, this is equation number 1. By which theorem, ma? Thales theorem.
Yes.
Just write this in. This is first. Okay, in this triangle use Thales theorem. That's it. You'll get like this. Because in this triangle, DF is parallel to AE because it is given in the question. Second step is in triangle ABC. In which triangle, ma? ABC. In this triangle ABC, DF is parallel to, not DF. DE is parallel to which side, ma? AC, right?
Yes.
D is parallel to AC in this triangle. So since this side is parallel to AC, what will get? AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to EC by B. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this two are okay. This is equal because of which theorem? Thales theorem.
Yes, sir.
Now using these two equations from 1 and 2, we can equate the right hand side because left hand side are same, AD by DB and AD by DB. So what is the right hand side of these two equations?
Same.
EF by BF. What is the left hand side of right hand side of first equation? That is EF by BF is equal to what is the right hand side of second equation? EC by
EC by BE.
EC by BE. Now listen. Now in the fourth step, take reciprocal. That's it. In the fourth step, what you have to do? Taking reciprocal. That will give you the answer now. So what is the reciprocal of EF by BF? That is BF by, instead of writing EF, in question they are asking us to prove FE. So you can write EF as FE, no problem. Which is equal to, and in the right hand side also we are taking reciprocal, means that will become BE by EC. Yes or no? That's it. Okay. Is it easy, Amma, to do by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Done, huh? Easy, very easy sum. So that's it. So hint is very simple. For this sum, if you want to write down the hint, it is very, very simple. First, you have to consider which triangle, triangle ABE, and apply Thales theorem. Second is you have to consider triangle ABC and apply Thales theorem. From these two steps, you will get two equations, and in those two equations, one of the sides will be equal. So we have to equate the other sides. That will give you one step. And the last thing is, we have, after equating the two equations, you have to take reciprocal. That's it. That's it. So these three steps will be needed to find the answer. Now, are you able to understand the fourth one? Anybody have doubt? Please ask.
No doubts.
No doubts. Okay, very good. Okay, please practice these sums now. Okay, please practice so that you will know which we have to write in the numerator and which we have to write it at the denominator. Even this sum can be done without taking reciprocal step also. Okay, while practicing you will come to understand this. So initially this AD by DB can be expressed as DB by AD is equal to BE by EC. Both are same. Instead of writing AD by DB, we can take DB by AD also is same, but no problem because we are taking ABC triangle, right? So we can start with AD by DB is equal to EC by BE. Completed, Amma? Everyone completed, right? Question number 4 also. If you have doubt, you can ask, or else we'll close this. Okay, we finish the class. Shall I stop sharing now? Yes.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. What is the doubt, ma'am?
scroll a bit up, no, sir. Yes, sir.
Note it down. Okay, please practice this sums. Whatever you have learned today, please practice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye, ma'am.